Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 5th of January 2025. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for SPY. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. So with that out of the way, let's just get into the video. So monthly charts, we can see it's SPY and S&P 500 as well has been in a huge uptrend. Had been in an uptrend for basically all of 2024. However, volume is definitely not supporting this uptrend. It's not necessarily a strong uptrend. However, MACD is positive. We can see the histogram is waning a little bit. But yes, although January has started off to a slightly positive note, RSI is also going up, confirming the upwards price action. So I guess there's a little bit of contradiction there. I'm just a little wary that volume isn't supporting it. If there is high volume this month, then that may just contradict all of what I've just said. So here we can see, I should probably make this a little bit different. We can make a new kind of even shorter term trend line here. Just to make things a little easier to see. Yeah, sure, this works. So we have this long-term trend line that I ran through the weekly charts, and this is for the daily charts. Here, I've just marked out some stuff. MACD is actually bearish, as in it's just giving us a bearish signal, so that's definitely not a good indication. RSI is also diverging from price. That's a huge negative signal as well, and we already know about the volume as well. Now, a few things to note is that with the start of 2025, there's a lot of good news coming in for some of the highest weighting stocks. So although this technical analysis may suggest something, if we take a step back, there's a lot of events coming up this year which make it very likely that the S&P 500 would perform very well this year as well, including NVIDIA's full impact of Blackwell rolling out in 2025, Microsoft spending on AI, etc., etc. Daily charts, again, very similar. MACD has been negative, RSI as well. As you can see, we didn't go all the way down the window, so that's this support we could say is still active. This whole window could still count as support. So we should expect to see an upwards reversal here. This we couldn't see in the weekly chart. So personally, I do expect an upwards movement this week, although we do have a little bit of a confirmation barrier, which we'll get into now. Last week there was no trade. This week we will buy when it crosses 595 and sell when it falls below 585.67 with a target of 1%, trailing stop loss of 0.5%. And if neither are hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly and monthly trend are up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.